Covenant Seminary is a member of MOBIUS, a consortium of over 60 libraries across Missouri and into Oklahoma, Iowa, Kansas, and Texas. If you don't find what you need in Covenant's catalog, you can search the MOBIUS catalog to find and request materials that are available at other seminaries, colleges, and universities, such as Concordia Seminary, St. Louis University, Washington University, and many others. This brief tutorial will show you how to put requests in through the MOBIUS catalog. There are two ways you can access the MOBIUS catalog. The first method is to start searching in Covenant's catalog. If you don't find the specific title you're looking for in Covenant's catalog, or if you just want to see what is available at other libraries, click the Search MOBIUS link. Once you've identified a title that you would like to request, click on the record to see where it is available. If there is an available copy at another library, click the Request It link. Choose your home library from the drop-down menu. Next, enter your name and student ID number printed on your student ID card. Select the location at which you would like to pick it up, and then submit your request. You should receive a confirmation message that your request was successful. After your request has been placed, you will receive an email to let you know when it is ready to pick up at your home library. Delivery time typically takes 2 to 10 days. The second method involves searching directly in the MOBIUS catalog. You can navigate directly to the MOBIUS catalog from Covenant Library's catalog list. From here, you can search directly in the MOBIUS catalog. You will use the same process as before to place your request.